Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up AWS EC2 instance for Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, first connect to AWS console, then select the region in which region we want to create the Ubuntu 24.04 EC2 instance. Select the region from this list. Okay, I am going to create this North Virginia US East 1 region. Okay, then click on search box or click on this services. Then click on compute and select the EC2 or go to AWS console, then search for EC2. Either is same. Then click on EC2. See here in instances it is running instances are 0. Okay. Now click on instances or launch instance to create the instances. Click on instances. Then click on launch instances. Then provide the name. This is just name for the instance. Okay. Then we have to select the AMI or OS image. So click on Ubuntu. See here. Then we have to select the AMI, that is Amazon Machine Image. Select the images from this list. If you are unable to find the version, then you have to click on this search box and search, or you can click on for browse more AMIs, then search. Okay, then select Ubuntu Server 24.04 LTS, then come to instance type. See here we have the T2 micro, it is the free tier eligible instance type. Okay, for this demo purpose I am going with all free tier eligible, but for you can select the options from this list. Okay, so based on the type of instance, charges will be there. Then key pair, see here you can use a key pair to securely connect to your instance. Ensure that you have access to selected key pair before you launch the instance. Okay, so click on create new key pair, then provide the name. I am giving the same name like EC2 instance, and select the key pair type and select the private key file format. I am going with .pem. So click on create key pair. Once you click on this one, it will download the .pem file. Click on it. See, download started. See here, this is the PEM file. Okay, scroll down. Next, network settings. See, I don't have any network information. Click on edit. Refresh this one. See, you don't have any VPC or subnet IP, subnet information. Okay, so create new VPC. Click on the services, search for VPC, then right click on this VPC service, open link in new tab, then see here this EC2 instance and this VPC must be in the same region. Okay, so click on, see here in VPCs we don't have anything. 0 means we don't have any VPCs. So click on create VPC. It will create in this US East 1 region. So click on create VPC, then select VPC and more, and if you want to provide the name, you can provide the name here. Okay, I am not going to provide any name. Then click on create VPC. See, VPC is created. Go to here, refresh this button. See here we have the one VPC selected, then select the subnet, again refresh this one. So I am going with project subnet public to US East 1B. Okay, then RTSN public IP enable, then firewall or security groups. Create security group or use the existing one. It is up to you. If you want to use the existing one, you have to select from this list, or if you want to create separate one, you can select this create security group, then provide the name Z for, you can provide the description as well. Okay, next inbound security group rules, select it, then additional network settings. I am not going to change anything. Then configure storage. Here I am giving 30 gigabytes. Okay, then you have to select, also see here free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of EBS general purpose or magnetic storage. Select the type from this list. Okay, so and if you want to add new volume, you have to click on here. Then advanced details. If you have an existing domain, you can select it, or if you want to DNS host name, you can add here. Okay, I'm not going to configure anything. Then come down here. If you want to provide any custom script or anything or commands, you can provide here, or you can upload a file. Okay, I'm not going to do. Review the settings one more time. If you're okay with all the settings, then see here, this is the instance summary, and see number of instances one. Okay, if you're okay with all the settings, then click on launch instance. See launching instance. See successfully initiated launch of instance. Click on instance ID or go to instances. See here instance state. See, this is the name and this is the instance ID. This is the instance state. Instance type public IP before DNS. Okay, and monitoring is disabled. Click on the instance ID. See here we have the more information like IP, instance ID, public IP, instance state. Okay, other information like subnet ID, etc. information is there. You scroll down. See here we have the different tabs like details, status and alarms, monitoring, security, networking, storage and tags. Okay, and see here platform is Linux or Unix, and see here Ubuntu 24.04 AMI. Now we will see how to connect to this AWS EC2 instance for Ubuntu 24.04. Click on connect. See, this is the SSH command. Just click on copy button. Now open terminal or CMD from the Windows. Now go to downloads directory where we have this downloaded FEM file. See here. Okay, so go to downloads, DAR verify whether we have the FEM file in the current location. See here we have the FEM file that we have created. Okay, now copy this one, paste it, hit enter, type S and hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to Ubuntu server 24.04. Let us verify. See here, welcome to Ubuntu 24.04.2. Okay, control it. Also verify more/etc os-release. See, we have connected to Ubuntu 24.04. Its code name is Noble. Okay, the first step after connecting to Ubuntu EC2 instances, we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully updated and upgraded the packages. Control it. Now go to the AWS console, go to instance ID. If you want to restart, just click on this instance state. See here we have the options like stop instance, reboot instance, terminate instance. If you want to stop, you have to click on here. If you want to reboot, you have to click on here. If you want to terminate or delete, this option is used when you are not using this EC2 instance anymore. I'm not going to delete. Okay, so after deleting, we have to delete this VPC also. It is not required anymore. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create or set up AWS EC2 instance for Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Then we have seen how to connect to it. Okay, for more AWS tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.